Trinamool Congress North Shillong candidate Elgiva Rynjah yesterday released her policy statement read manifesto for the constituency. This is the first time that an individual in Meghalaya contesting an election has published a policy statement. Rynjah said she came up with the document to spell out her vision for the constituency to the electorates. This is like a written agreement between her and the people of the constituency, she added. She also promised that a skill enhancement training centre will be set up to increase job opportunities for the youth.
Robust civic amenities for resident, nibo the quick. Kanya ka quick kaday ka quick uptake for issues and concern kiosk. Kajingmut kanya kaday every respected areas barokhat ki area barokhat ki Shillong hanot Shillong kindon laki jong ki office na kalyang ka Trinamool Congress 17 North Shillong kanang da pidon kanu ka problem kanu ka jing ka bapimat kini ki office ki jongi kin shim ya ki problems ki jong pi